Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Facebook background color not working problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to update Facebook if it is not up to date. For this we go to the Play Store. We write Facebook in the search section. If you have an update text like me, it means Facebook is not up to date. Click on Update and wait for the update to be finished. Not using the updated versions of the applications can cause us to get such errors. Therefore, it is useful to keep the applications we use constantly up to date. This was our first solution. Let's move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to clear cache data of Facebook. If the error is caused by something momentary, this solution will work. For the solution, first we enter the settings. Then we find apps. And among our applications here, we find Facebook. And finally, we enter the storage part. These steps may be different depending on the brand of your phone. After entering the storage, we click on Clear Data and then click on Clear Cache. And cache files deleted. That was our second solution. If the second solution worked for you, don't forget to like the video. Our third solution is to delete the Facebook application with its data and reinstall it. In this way, we can arrive at a definitive solution. For this, as in the second solution, we need to enter the settings application of our phone and find Facebook. Then we click on Clear Data as in the second solution, but this time we click on Clear All Data. And Facebook data is deleted. Finally, we click Uninstall and our application is deleted. Now all we have to do is reinstall Facebook. You already know these steps. After Instagram is installed, you can log into your account and check if the error fixed or not. If this solution didn't work, we'll move on to our fourth and final solution. Our fourth solution is a different solution. If you have applied these three solutions and you are still having problems, it may not be caused by you but by Facebook. That's why we're going to use Facebook Lite, not Facebook. Don't worry, Facebook Lite is an app of Facebook and it's totally safe. It's a simplified version of Facebook, so we don't get these kinds of errors. First we go to the Play Store and write Facebook Lite in the search section. We install the first application that comes up in the search. After the application is installed, we log in as we log in to Facebook. Yes, the app looks like this. Let's make some examples. This way you can see it works. That was our fourth solution. If you want, you can delete the application after posting or continue to use it. We have come to the end of our video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.